Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel kulfi. Start by reducing whole milk slowly to thicken and concentrate flavor, stirring often to prevent burning. Next, caramelize sugar until deep amber and fold into the milk base. Add cardamom and chopped pistachios for texture. Chill the mixture in molds or a loaf pan until firm. Unmold carefully and garnish with extra nuts before serving. Serve cold for best flavor and creamy texture. Measure ingredients precisely to ensure consistent kulfi texture and flavor. Use whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and a small pinch of salt for balance. Include 1 tsp ground cardamom and 2 tablespoons caramelized sugar to create the caramel note. Fold in 2 tablespoons chopped pistachios for crunch. Simmer gently until the mixture thickly coats the spoon, then cool slightly before pouring into molds to freeze solid overnight. Freeze about 8 hours. Quick recommendation and ad break. If this is helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Grab The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that reshapes money mindset with clear, practical advice and calm confidence. I found its lessons useful alongside making treats and planning budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting small creators. Now let's get back to the video. Caramelize sugar carefully until it reaches a deep amber color, avoiding burning. Deglaze with a splash of milk to create a smooth caramel, then whisk into reduced milk. Cook the combined mixture until it thickly coats the back of a spoon and slightly reduces again. Taste and adjust sweetness. Pour into chilled molds, press plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals, and freeze until firm for best creamy kulfi texture about 8 hours to set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.